Just like Love Monster.
Oh, Love Monster.
Even though Love Monster is doing his best to be brave and help his friend, he still feels a little bit scared.
Let's go down the steps.
Okay, can you grab my hand? Thanks, Love Monster. Bouncy!
Oh,
This isn't going as Love Monster planned.
let's slide down. Together.
Okay. Keep it bouncy. Keep it slidey. Keep it inflatable.
Ready?
Oh, we need to do that again.
And again.
And again, and again. Together. Oh, my carrots, Love Monster. Thanks for my present. I love it. Have you opened yours? Do you love it? Have you used it yet?
It's night time.
Love Monster hid the present so well that he's forgotten where it is.
Where is the present? Open it! Open it! We haven't got all night! Oh, wait. Yes, we do.
Oh, it's
It's a telescope. You use it to see the stars and the moon and the planets at night.
Oh?
I've always thought you were a star. Now you get to see some real ones.
Oh, I must be doing something wrong.
Love Monster is so full of feelings that all of his words come out at once.
Everyone, you have to come to my house right now. I have something really amazing to show you.
So many sparkles! This is amazing, Love Monster.
Yeah! I can chase these sparkles forever! That one!
Let's invent a new dance. We'll call it the Sparkle.
Oh, what's this now? I love a good dance party.
Yeah!
Hi, Love Monster. One extra cool hot chocolate for you?
Love Monster is so full of feelings that all of his words come out at once.
I'm trying really hard to give the beach another go, but when I start having fun with my friends, the beach gets in the way.
What have you tried so far?
Oh, wait! The best part of the beach is being with my friends.
Ready, love monster? Like I said, it's a big job. I need to sort out all my stretchy dance clothes into 3 piles. Stretchy, super stretchy, and boing.
Boing!
Great work! Only 12 more boxes left.
Whoa!
Love monster, I'm so happy you're here. Look, my seeds have sprouted.
Huh? Oh.
Love Monster followed all the instructions, but his hot chocolate flower sprouts are nowhere to be seen.
I think I did something wrong.
Oh, you didn't do anything wrong. Your seeds are just different to mine. How about I come over tomorrow to help you?
Good night, little bot.
Oh, my carrots! Love monster, look!
There was one more step. Give your seeds time and love.
Sometimes everything goes right, sometimes everything goes wrong. Life is made of ups and downs. Doesn't matter, just sing this song. Everything is full of fun. Every day is a special one. Everyone sure is different, just like Love Monster.
Love monster.
Watch more on BBC iPlayer.